68 years of non-stop hiccups. Meet Charles Osborne, the man who hiccuped every single day from 1922 to 1990. It all began unexpectedly while he was attempting to weigh a hog, triggering a reflex that spiraled into one of the longest medical mysteries ever recorded. Doctors were baffled, and solutions were scarce as he continued his daily life, marrying twice and fathering 8 children, all while hiccuping up to 40 times a minute. Despite countless remedies and medical consultations, the hiccups only ceased mysteriously 1 year before his death. Charles's story is not just about an uncontrollable reflex, it's a testament to human resilience in the face of an unimaginable condition. Can you imagine living with a hiccup every few seconds for nearly 7 decades? Let Charles Osborne's incredible story remind us of the fascinating unpredictability of the human body.